Okay, Leet code 14. Longest common prefix. Write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, return an empty string. So we get an array and FL for this. And some constraints. So string length is going to be at least one in one string in an array. And those could be from 0 to 200. And there's up to 200 different strings to compare. Okay. So first, to reduce how much checking we need to do, we need to find the shortest string. Let shortest equal infinity.
I forgot to take your cookie.
Mm-hmm.
You're like, I don't need any more treats, Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Whatever. For that I equals 0. I less than strings length. I plus plus. If strings of I dot length less than shortest equals strings of I dot length. Awesome. And then we need an index of I while I is less than shortest. We check everything. The I believe we can do like this. We check each strings. So does not equal strings of 0 of I. Then we're going to return that up until, since I is not inclusive, the previous I passed to be here. And otherwise, we're returning strings of 0. In any extra case, I guess this would be 0, 0 or something. Or the whole string, I guess, potentially. Awesome. 30%, 8%. Okay, well, there's perhaps a better solution. More efficient, better memory. How's the memory? There's definitely one with better memory. But, I'll stick to this. Wait, don't we? I mean, I actually don't know if it's more memory efficient, but the max length of a string is only 200. So I can just put shortest is 201 and work from there. In any case, it's for s and strs. If len s less than shortest, then we update shortest equals len s. The length of s, and then we get our I while I less than shortest. And then for us in strings, and then if s of I is not equal 0 of I. We can return everything up until that I, like so. And we're doing this in here. Make sure I get the right spacing. And then we can return. Yeah. Well, the strings up into this point will be the same. I can do that. What, is that more efficient? Well, obviously, there's also a more efficient one here. I don't even have to do all this, right? I could just do like S up into Y is the same as I just did in Python. I don't know why. I'm already getting this S. I might as well use it. 24 and 8. Is this worse? Am I crazy? 24 8. Okay, why the heck is this better? Who knows? Is it better here too? STRS 0. Oh wait. Let's cut that out. Submit this one. Okay, well, it seems pretty random. It was not 100% before. And 12%. Okay. And if we submit this one, 29, okay. And this one again. Oh, too many times. Well, as we've seen. Well, I guess 0 to 3 milliseconds is not much difference. Okay. Well, this one seems to more consistently hit 100%, so there's something.